papasado Haben. Inside pass to Marlon Lendez. Pula. Pass to Marlon Lendez. Pula. Ayan na naman ang kalaban. Tunas ka na naman kagad. Ibona, unta po na kiaras by Dalimocon. Ibona, pull up. Yes, good for 2 by Ibona. Alcorcon. Sumayo. Nice communication by San Juan. Yes, good for 2. Pass to Tugbo. Attacking the baseline using his pretty lane. First throw. Magandang hapon po dyan kay Sir Domingo. Happy viewing po. Yes, good for 1 by Tugbo. A second bonus throw by Tugbo. Remaining time 5 minutes and 44 seconds. Yes, completed at 2 points. Okay, Tugbo ngayon. Pass to Novero. O tapos nakipass to Ibona to Milan Lendez. Signaling play to Ibona. Ibona. Shot lock down to 15. Still by Haben to Ibona. Yes, good for 2 by Ibona. Lendez. Milan Lendez. Pass to Novero. Try sa long one. Novero. 3 points. Saliko. On tapos nakiharas by Ibona and Lendez. Inside pass, what a connection. Yes, using the glass by San Juan. Good for 2.
Ayun, magandang hapon. Hindi natapos yung game ngayon kasi lumakas yung Subasco. Yung mga bata naliligo na lang. Oy, wag kayo sa blue, malalim dyan. Wag kayo sa blue, malalim dyan.
Bye! Apolinario. On top nakitry sa longwa. Kay Dako. Awan nga situation. Dako, pula. Merkat. First ball throw by Dako. Yes, go with that one. Third team foul sina Lambingan. Ang second ball throw by Dako. Wala, rebound. Dako. On Tabraki using his body. Haras by Vergara. Shot clock down to 10. Alcorcon. Alcorcon ngayon hanap ng mapasahan. Alcorcon inside pass to Daganta using the glass. Yes, good for 2 by Daganta. Minutes and 50. Alcorcon. On Tabraki ito San Juan. Pula. Mike. Remington. Rebound by Mayo. On tabak ito Wilben Francis Coronel. Wilben Coronel ngayon. On tabak signaling play. Inside pass to Apolinario. To Kumla. Back to Apolinario. Apolinario. To Mayo. Shot clock down to 10. A bonus throw by Yes, completed the 3 points by Kumla. Pipit. Last 5 seconds.